Let's look at how to pronounce January. So this word has some hidden sounds and some unexpected connections. We have first syllable stress. Letter J says the J sound. That's a pushed out affricate sound. And then letter A says the A sound, like in that or last. So to match, you can say that January or last January. Next, we have the letter U. In January, there is a hidden Y sound before the U, so not January, but January. And so that's one of the errors that we often hear, is that people will leave off this Y sound. Practice just U, Janu, Janu. Then as we move from the U to the air, letters AR say the air diphthong. We're moving from a rounded vowel to an unrounded vowel. So you'll naturally connect and glide. And as I move from U to air, uer, uer, you'll hear my lips naturally make a W glide in there, ûɛri. If that W sound is missing, you may end up sounding like there's fewer syllables there. And so it's very important to connect those as we're doing two vowels and doing vowel-to-vowel linking. We need that glide sound so we don't lose the air syllable. And then finally, we have the airy. The R connects between the air sound and the last syllable E. So you can think about it like airy or air-y, but really, anytime we have an R between two vowels, it's going to connect into both. So you really want to work on airy, airy, being able to link those sounds, making your air sound as well as your re sound with one R, airy. Break it down syllable by syllable, saying it slowly, but keep the rhythm the same and then speed up. That sounds like January, January, January. Once you can say January by itself, make sure you practice it in some short phrases so it comes smoothly so that you can use it naturally and fluently. For example, January 1st, 2026. I'll see you in January, at the end of January for the month of January. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.